Are you over 60 and tired of the bloating, constipation, or embarrassing gas that seems to come out of nowhere? Do you ever feel like your stomach is off, even when you haven't eaten anything unusual? You're not alone, dear friend. According to a 2024 study by the National Institute on Aging, more than 70% of adults over the age of 60 experience at least one chronic digestive issue. And sadly, many of them are handed pills, probiotics, or expensive supplements without ever fixing the root problem. But what if I told you that the secret to healing your gut isn't hidden in a bottle or pharmacy aisle? That's right. Your gut can be restored gently, naturally, and safely, using nothing but simple food strategies and lifestyle tweaks. No expensive pills, no sketchy powders, just nature doing what it does best. In today's video, I'll reveal 5 gentle gut health secrets for seniors that are scientifically backed and require no supplements at all. These are the same forgotten practices our grandparents swore by, and they worked. Stay with me until the very end, because secret number 5 is something 90% of seniors overlook, but it could completely transform how your gut works in just a few days. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. Secret number 1. Start your day with warm lemon water. Let's begin with one of the simplest habits you can adopt, yet most powerful. Drinking a glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning. Now, this might sound too easy to be true, but it's not. Here's why it works. When you wake up, your digestive system has been at rest for hours. Drinking warm water helps gently stimulate peristalsis. That's the wave-like motion that moves food through your intestines. But when you add fresh lemon juice, you're giving your gut a natural boost of citric acid, which helps trigger stomach acid production, something that declines with age. A clinical report published in the journal Integrative Medicine Insights found that low stomach acid is a common issue in older adults, often leading to indigestion, bloating, and poor nutrient absorption. Lemon water can help prime the digestive tract naturally, without the need for over-the-counter antacids or acid blockers. How to do it? Squeeze half a fresh lemon into 1 cup of warm water, not hot. Sip it slowly on an empty stomach, at least 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Within a week, you might notice less bloating, better regularity, and even improved appetite. Secret number 2. Embrace prebiotic-rich foods. You've probably heard of probiotics, but have you heard of prebiotics? These are the natural plant fibers that feed your good gut bacteria. Without prebiotics, probiotics can't thrive. Here's the good news. You don't need pills to get them. In fact, the best prebiotics come directly from food, especially gentle, gut-friendly sources perfect for seniors. Some top choices include bananas, especially slightly green ones, cooked oats, sweet potatoes, leeks and onions, well cooked for easy digestion. Why it works? Prebiotics help increase beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, which protect against constipation, inflammation, and even cognitive decline. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience linked prebiotic intake to improved memory and reduced inflammation in older adults. This connection between gut health and brain health is often referred to as the gut-brain axis. Gentle tip: start slowly. If you're not used to high-fiber foods, too much too soon can cause gas. Add a few spoonfuls of oats or a small piece of banana to breakfast and work up gradually. Secret number 3. The 20-minute rule: chew and pause. Here's a forgotten technique that costs nothing and can instantly improve your digestion. Eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly. Many seniors rush meals, or worse, eat while distracted. This leads to incomplete digestion, which causes gas, bloating, and poor nutrient absorption. Why this matters? Digestion starts in the mouth, not the stomach. Your saliva contains enzymes that begin breaking down food. When you chew well, you activate those enzymes and reduce the workload on your stomach. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who chewed almonds more thoroughly had greater nutrient absorption and less bloating compared to those who chewed minimally. And there's more. Your brain needs at least 20 minutes to register fullness. By slowing down, you avoid overeating, which is a common cause of nighttime acid reflux in seniors. How to implement the 20-minute rule. Put down your fork between bites. Chew each bite at least 15 to 20 times. Make mealtime calm. No phones, no rushing. You'll be amazed how much lighter you feel after each meal. Secret number 4. Use gentle food fermentation at home. You don't need to buy expensive probiotics or powders when you can make your own healthy bacteria right in your kitchen. Fermented foods like homemade yogurt, sauerkraut, or kefir are some of the best sources of natural probiotics, and they're gentle enough for older digestive systems. Why it works? These foods are naturally rich in live, beneficial bacteria that help restore the gut lining, regulate bowel movements, and even strengthen immunity. A landmark 2021 study from Stanford University found that participants who ate fermented foods daily had increased gut microbiome diversity and decreased inflammation, even without any supplements. Gentle options for seniors. Homemade yogurt. Use full-fat, unsweetened milk. Soft, fermented vegetables like sauerkraut or pickled carrots, not store-bought vinegar pickled. Water kefir. A dairy-free, bubbly drink you can make with just sugar and water kefir grains. Start small. Just 2 tablespoons of sauerkraut or a small glass of kefir with lunch can work wonders. Important note, if you've never tried fermented foods, go slow to avoid gas or cramping. And if you're sensitive to histamines, consult your doctor. Secret number 5. The power of a consistent bowel routine. Let's talk about something most seniors won't admit, but secretly struggle with. Irregular bowel movements. Did you know that constipation can retoxify your gut, leading to fatigue, poor skin, brain fog, and digestive discomfort? And here's the real issue. Most seniors don't have a set time to use the toilet. They wait for the urge instead of training their body, just like we do with babies. Why it works? The digestive system loves routine. When you go at the same time each day, your brain trains your bowels to empty on cue, naturally. Gastroenterologists call this the gastrocolic reflex, a natural response that kicks in about 20 minutes after a meal. If you sit on the toilet at this time daily, your body learns the pattern. How to reset your rhythm. Choose a time, ideally 20 to 30 minutes after breakfast. Sit on the toilet for 5 to 10 minutes, even if you don't feel an urge. Breathe deeply and relax, no straining. Do this daily, and your gut will start responding within a week or 2. No pills, no laxatives, just your body learning to do what it was designed to do. Let's quickly go over the 5 gentle gut health secrets for seniors. No supplements needed. 1. Warm lemon water in the morning. Jumpstarts digestion and stomach acid. 2. Prebiotic-rich foods. Feed your good gut bacteria naturally. 3. Chew slowly and eat mindfully. Improves digestion and fullness signals. 4. Fermented foods at home. Provides safe, natural probiotics. 5. Bowel movement routine. Trains your body for daily gut cleansing. These aren't trends. They're time-tested, science-backed, and completely natural solutions that work in harmony with your aging body, not against it. You don't need more pills. You don't need gimmicks. What your gut needs is consistency, nourishment, and care. So if you're tired of bloating, unpredictable bowels, or that sluggish after-meal feeling, Start with just one of these secrets today. Then add another next week. Tell us in the comments. Which of these gut secrets are you going to try first? Is it lemon water or the 20-minute chew rule? And if you want us to provide helpful tips regarding a different health topic, please let us know too. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health. And if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.